We're out here at the Franconia-Springfield Metro VRE station to inform commuters of their travel options during the closure of the yellow and blue line during the summer of 2019. The closures will take place starting Memorial Day weekend and lasting through Labor Day weekend. Travelers can expect significant impact to their normal daily routines. During the closure, Metro will be operating free shuttle buses out of Franconia-Springfield as well as Huntington. In addition to the bus service that will be provided, commuters can also consider starting a van pool, carpool, or teleworking if it's an option from their employer. If you normally travel on the blue or yellow line, you know that the trains are often crowded. During this time, passengers who may be taking any of the alternative options should expect to add significant time to their travel. We also have options for employers as well as employees. Employers can reach out to Fairfax County to help establish carpools or van pools for their employees, and they can help provide benefits to offset that cost.